The language I'm speaking right now is on its way to becoming the world's universal language, for better or for worse. It's been predicted that at the end of the century, almost all of the languages that exist now, there are about 6,000, will no longer be spoken. We're getting to the point where a question is going to start being asked, which is, why should we learn foreign languages other than if English happens to be foreign to one? I think there are a lot of reasons. One reason to learn them is because they are tickets to being able to participate in the culture of the people who speak them, just by virtue of the fact that it is their code. Second reason, it's been shown that if you speak two languages, dementia is less likely to set in, and that you are probably a better multitasker. Bilingualism is healthy. And then, third, languages are just an awful lot of fun. Much more fun than we're often told. So for example, Arabic, kataba, he wrote, yaktubu, he writes, she writes, uktub, write in the imperative. What do those things have in common? All of those things have in common the consonants sitting in the middle like pillars. They stay still and the vowels dance around the consonants. Who wouldn't want to roll that around in their mouths? You can get that from Hebrew, you can get that from Ethiopia's main language, Amharic. Or, languages have different word orders. Learning how to speak with different word order is like driving on the different side of the street if you go to a certain country, or the feeling that you get when you put witch hazel around your eyes and you feel the tingle. A language can do that to you. Or, have you ever learned any Cambodian? Me either, but if I did, I would get to roll around in my mouth, not some baker's dozen of vowels like English has, but a good 30 different vowels scooching and oozing around in the Cambodian mouth like bees in a hive. So, I highly recommend that you teach yourself languages other than the one that I'm speaking, because there's never been a better time to do it. It's an awful lot of fun. It won't change your mind, but it will most certainly blow your mind.